Hi, in this video I will show you how to design a small cozy mini house step by step. It is simple, smart and perfect for saving space. Let's get started. Step 1. Make the floor plan. First, we draw the floor plan. This is like the map of the house. We decide where the living area, kitchen, bathroom and bed will go. In a mini house, it is best to keep the house open and simple. Step 2. Build the walls. Next, we add the walls. We keep only the walls we really need, like around the bathroom. Fewer walls mean more space and better light. Step 3. Add windows and doors. Now we add windows and doors. Big windows help bring in sunlight and make the room feel bigger. Sliding doors are a good idea because they don't take up space. At the roof, we put on a simple roof, flat or with a little slope. Some mini houses have a small loft under the roof. That's good place for a bed or storage. Step 5. Design the inside. Now, let's design the inside. We use small furniture that can fold or move, a bed that folds into the wall, a table that also works as a desk. We also use shelves and cabinets to keep the things tidy. Step 6. Style the outside. Next, we choose the outside look. We can use wood, metal or paint to make it look nice. Maybe add a tiny porch or some plants. It is small but it can still have style. Step 7. Final walk together. Here's the final mini house. It is small, but it has everything. A place to cook, sleep, relax and store things. Great for simple living. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this mini house design. If you have ideas or a question, leave a comment. Thank you.